Hey, good morning again. It's like 8:40. Just got almost everything dry, everything clean. My feet feel good. My teeth don't feel too good yet. I ain't got no water. Couldn't brush my teeth. So, that's what's next on the agenda. Also, wanted to say, just a reminder that I'm not like Steven Spielberg or anything. I think it's day 8. It's like the 8th day I've ever filmed myself talking. I'm not a Snapchat guy or FaceTime. I'm not even a picture guy. Sorry about the sun in the background. But thought I'd try something new. Enjoying this. Who knows, maybe get myself a nice camera and just quit the job and go hit CDT. That would be amazing. I'll tell you right now that I have learned a lot in the few days I've been out here. But it's been great. But yeah, now we're on our way to, I think it's Sanju. First we crossed Baptism River. So, but yeah, just bear with me. Hopefully I won't use the same words every time to describe things. Come up with a more comfortable greeting. But I can tell I'm definitely getting more comfortable. So, yeah, let's see what happens on, day 14. See how comfortable I am then. Earlier when I had said that I was going to hopefully do the CDT, I did really mean it. And I do. But obviously I got a long way to go in the navigation department before I think I could do that. Plus I kind of want to do the PCT first. But at any rate, yeah, I definitely need to sharpen up my compass and map reading skills before I do that. Anyways, yeah, I just wanted to get that off my mind. I know a lot of people are probably saying, this guy's gonna die if he does that. Which is probably true. What would happen if I went out there with no experience? Even very experienced hikers have problems with that trail. Again, sorry for the sun. Anyways, that's my little rant. I was gonna say something else, but I forgot. I'm sure I'll pop up again, say it. These juniper trees, not for sure, I think they might be like red cedars or something, but this is one of my favorite. But as you can tell, it is just death on the feet. been out here for days now. And I think it's appropriate that I give a shout out to all the volunteers in the organization for, you know, taking care of the trail, making sure we got it, making sure, you know, it just keeps going. So if you can, it doesn't hurt you anyway financially, I would say make a donation to the Superior Hiking Trail. They could really use it. I'm gonna tell you right now, you come and hike this trail, your toes are gonna end up looking like Booger McFarlane's fingers. Because I'm sure mine do. I'm sure there's a few jackknifes in there after today, especially.